Hey, it's One Plucky Pixel here, and welcome back to another creative design tutorial. In today's video, we will cover how to add a basic transition within your Adobe After Effects composition. To start things off, I do have a video of a parrot up top. You can see it like so. And upon toggling off that layer, we do have a video of a flamingo as well. In this case, I actually want the parrot to fade in second. To do so, I make both layers visible. I'm going to click and drag the colored bar over here and move it to about 3.5 seconds, like so. Therefore, if I play back the composition, the flamingo is first, followed by a hard cut into the parrot. At this point, I do want to select a point roughly past the beginning of this bar, right about here. Then I navigate to my effects and presets, and down to transition. Upon toggling it, we do have multiple effects, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use one of my favorites, linear wipe. To apply it, simply double-click. And from here, you have toggled on the transition parameters. To see them in your layers panel, all you have to do is toggle them like so. We have effects, linear wipe, and there are the parameters. I'm going to click the stopwatch next to transition completion, like this. So we're starting currently at 0%. I'm going to add in one more keyframe farther along the composition, maybe at about 5 seconds. And from here, add in 100%. In doing so, we will see the animation take place. Unfortunately, it's happening in the wrong direction. If this is the case, simply click and drag, select both keyframes like this, right-click, select Keyframe Assistant, and select Time Reverse Keyframes. And just like that, the transition is remedied. Of course, with every transition, there are multiple effects as well that can also be changed. In this case, we have a feather property over here. For instance, if I select a point in time between the two keyframes, I can adjust the feather. In this case, as I increase the value, there is a much softer fade between the images. Additionally, I can change the direction of the wipe. Let's do -90 degrees. So in this case, upon playback, we will now have a customized transition. And just like that, our transition is complete. Of course, with every transition effect, there will be different parameters. However, the process is more or less the same. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.